Hello my YouTube loves. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm very cozy. यहाँ ठंड होने लगी है इसलिए. Also today is an extremely busy day for me, so the introduction is going to be super short. I am going to California in about 2 to 3 hours. My packing is almost done, but there's so much else to do. We're going to California for a baby shower of one of our most favorite couples, Aaron and Cincy, and this is going to be the first baby in our friend circle. So we're all very excited. We're going there to show support, to show our love, and to be a part of the family. What I will be showcasing is my trip to California. All our friends are getting together again. If you haven't already seen the video where we visited the Grand Canyon in Arizona, you can go right up here or here. It'll be somewhere here. I'll put it right here. Please go watch it because it's the same people. We're all getting together again. We all live in different parts of the country, so it's always amazing when we get together. So we're gonna quickly go and quickly come back.
Electronics are in airplane mode. Smiles on your faces. We're about to get this jet ready.
We have finally reached SF. We're going to stay at a hotel. Tomorrow, all friends are going to get together at an Airbnb, which I'm actually looking forward to. But I have to show you this sweet hotel room that we have. It's a boutique hotel. It's so nice. And then I'm going to just go to bed. I'm exhausted. According to New York, it is 6 a.m. over there. यहाँ पे 3 बज गए हैं. वहाँ 6 बज गए सुबह के. हम सोए भी नहीं हैं. So let's see the hotel room. Good morning from California. We're on our way to lunch क्योंकि breakfast के लिए तो मैं उठी ही नहीं. We slept at 4:30 time difference की वजह से, and we also got in super late last night. कुछ खाया नहीं था. But अब I am super excited for lunch because we actually chose Madras Cafe as an option. चाय का नाम लेके डोसा इडली सुन के I am totally fine. So let's go and meet the other crew. धीरे धीरे सब आ रहे हैं, and then today we will move to an Airbnb from our hotel room. No overnight unregistered visitor. Good morning. Today we are going to Sausalito. I think I'm saying it right, correct?
Good morning.
Look who's here. So the rest of the girls are getting ready, and I'm not really sure about the plans of the day, but it sounds fun to me. We're going where again?
Sausalito.
Sausalito.
But first,
it's like a salsa.
coffee.
Oh, first coffee. Okay, yeah, let's go. And then
no, it's not like salsa. It's salsa.
Sausalito.
Sausalito. We're going somewhere. Let's go. Let's go and have fun. So far, I actually like wearing glasses, but the major issue I'm having with these glasses is when I wear a mask, they fog up as I talk. Oh, see, look, they're like so foggy. And I don't think it's just my problem. I think everybody who wears glasses understands it. I love that I'm with my girls. The boys are lost. And the Golden Gate Bridge, right over there. Right over there. California is really pretty. Yes. It has everything. The mountains, water. I really like it. Yep. We're going to some beach now. We've been to California before and we've seen the Golden Gate Bridge before, but we've not come here.
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, California was the place where I think more than a year ago, me and Varun confessed our love for each other.
Oh, so sweet.
Golden Gate Bridge ke pehle. And now, like, even day before yesterday, we were like, yeah, ये California में ही था ना, जहाँ हमने बोला था कि बस अब मुझसे शादी करोगी. We're going to a beach, and the best part about this group is we go to a spot, we spend 10 to 15 minutes, take pictures, enjoy, and then move on to the next spot. We do the same thing at the next spot, then move on to the next spot. Uski wajah se na, we can see so many things in just a day, and we do it with ease. It's not कि जल्दी करो, but हम सारा दिन एक ही जगह पे नहीं बैठे होते. I like that part. Are you a beach person or are you a mountain person?
I love beach.
Beach? Nice. I'm a mountain person, but I like it here because यहाँ पे दोनों है.
Yeah, it's so
तेरे तू अपने white shoes पहन के जाएगी बीच पे? You don't care? No. That's awesome. That's awesome. Now see, I don't like the beach as much to do that. तो मैं अपने shoes उतार लूँगी. Look at that. Those are our men.
Wow,
How beautiful! It's black sand. That's our crew. That's so sweet. They're already in the water. Shoes utar. Are you excited for wine tasting?
absolutely.
We're eating now, and then we have to go for wine tasting. Are we going to Napa? I don't drink. Varun's not going to drink wine, but we're accompanying our friends, and it's going to be exciting because it's always fun.
I'm gonna drink wine.
She's going to drink wine, and I'm going to cheer her, and I'll sit there and eat cheese.
There you go.
It's
What's the-
exciting. Last night was so busy. We got home, we were so tired because of the sightseeing and so many things we did in the day. The boys were watching a movie, the girls were chatting and eating, and then we went to bed. Super tired right now. I want to sleep more, but today's the day of the baby shower. So we're all gonna get some breakfast, get ready. All of us fly back to our respective places today. Our flight is in the night, and it's an overnight flight. It's a red eye, which I'm not looking forward to because I'm so exhausted. I just need my bed. But yeah, let's see how the day pans out. Let's go explore, see the baby shower, enjoy it. Hello. We're all ready for the baby shower, but I think everyone's heads are aching. We're tired but excited because this is why we are here, isn't it? The day is here to celebrate the baby. We're excited. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. You look so lovely, everyone. Oh, we have a baby in the group. It's hard to believe. This is such a sweet park. There's our setup over there in the back. They're still setting up. Baby mama's in the car, so we're gonna go give her company. There's some sort of Zumba or yoga going on. Yeah. California weather is always nice. How do you like being here?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
And with all of our favorite girls.
Oh yeah. Yes. And I love what they're doing. I think yoga or something? I don't know.
Yeah. Exercising.
Zumba, exercising, and then
beautiful California flag.
we are officially done. Time to catch our flights very soon. And I even won. I actually won a game. This was so awesome. So I hope you liked the vlog. If you did, comment and let me know your most favorite part. Like, subscribe. Don't forget, live, laugh, and eat a little potato. See you next Friday.